Welcome to my videos. So guys, I'm gonna discuss security arrangements if you own a house here in Canada that you should have. First of all, if you can afford, definitely buy services from a third party provider. There are so many. Those who have like good reputation, you can read the feedback. Definitely you should go for home monitoring, because you want to stay peaceful even if you're not at home, that if anything happens you are going to get notified. Okay, having said that, there are self monitoring options too, you can go for it, but yeah, I'm going to tell you what you should actually do based on my experience. First of all, have all areas around your house being recorded. Okay, so that means if you live in a detached house, make sure you have cameras covering every side of the house, so that you have it recorded 24/7. You can buy a cloud subscription too if you want to have a backup of the recordings, but even if that's not fine, get a good capacity hard disk that you can attach to your DVR and have it recorded. Okay, it's pretty simple, and nowadays these cameras, DVR systems come with like self installation. You don't need any expert to install and configure it for you. You can monitor using your mobile app too. This is the very first thing you should do. Okay, now areas where you have movement, like your front, especially near your driveway and backyard, there have motion sensors too. Now cameras do have this motion sensor, and that is what I would recommend. Instead of having a motion sensor, dedicated motion sensor, have it in the camera or motion sensor enabled camera, so that if anything happens over there you get an alert. Okay, so that you should definitely have. Okay, so that you get alert if somebody is coming to your door or somebody is passing through your driveway, or if on the backyard where an entrance to your house is possible, go for it. Okay, now patio doors in like most of the patio doors here in Canada I see are made of glass, and it is very easy to break them with a baseball bat or a sledgehammer. Anybody can do it. So what you can do, like stick anti what do you call, anti break-in films. Okay, they are very cheap and you can find them online. So just stick it over them, so that it's gonna make anybody who tries to break in to your house very difficult. And this you stick to your windows and any other area where someone can break and enter. Okay, because then if somebody wants to enter, it's gonna be very difficult. Okay, now there have been forced entry home invasions here in Canada. So what you can do, like on your front door, install reinforcement locks. If you have like two reinforcement locks installed, it will be too difficult for someone to break in, because that provides enormous force. For patio doors, apart from installing this anti break-in film, there are like patio door protectors too, that once you do that, even if they break the lock, it will be difficult from them to slide the door, or you can say anti slide locks, that you can do. With third party monitoring, make sure your and inside your house, especially in corridor, have a motion sensor, so that if you're not at home, somebody enters, still the alarm triggers. Okay, and with third party monitoring, they inform the police also in case of your absence. Of course they try to call you first, so that you should definitely have. Okay, and then like on all your windows have motion sensors, so that if anybody breaks them or something they do, any movement, it's gonna be captured and notified. Okay, have these tested regularly. Okay, apart from these two, have like, I know fire alarms are mandatory, but there are third party monitoring enabled fire alarms too. I had seen it for Rogers, Telus, and I'm sure it's for others too. So have these installed at your home, and also water sensor that generally they install in the furnace room, so that if in case anything happens, you get notified instantly, so that there is nothing to worry. And if you're not at home, they are going to notify the relevant department, so that your damage can be minimized. And with third party monitoring, the benefit you get is like it can reduce your home insurance cost too, especially in certain areas. So this is what I would recommend, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.